Forgel produces commercial refrigeration equipment and freezers for various types of clients, such as bottlers of carbonated beverages, breweries, ice cream parlors, and all other sectors of the food industry that require refrigeration. We produce different models, on average about 7,000, 8,000, or sometimes up to 10,000 units per month. We implemented Asprova in 2004. At the time, we were using a regional ERP that fell short, and Asprova presented us the opportunity to expand our systems. At first, our main focus was on improving the supply chain, and later, specific production areas. From this, we have also developed internal software that improves compatibility across our systems. I have worked with Asprova for 6 years. We run 3 scheduling scenarios. One daily to determine production targets. Another is run twice a week to support supply chain planning. And another we run once a month to plan projections for the sales department. The immediate benefits we received using Asprova were improved information accuracy and quicker response times. This reduced production lead times by 40% and eliminated excess inventory, which is critical in this type of business.